Hi besties, how are you doing? Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to quickly share with you guys how to check if any of your video has a copyright strike on it. See guys, when someone made a copyright claim on your video, it is going to prevent you from being monetized if you are not monetized already. Like when you are eligible, it is going to prevent you from being monetized. YouTube is not going to monetize your channel. And again, if you are monetized already and someone made a YouTube copyright claim on your video, you are going to be demonetized. Yes. So, and again, what can cost you copyright? Like what can lead to your video being copyright? Is when you use the music and you do not give credit to the owner of the music, or when you post someone's video and you do not give credit to the person and the video has a copyright and the music also have a copyright and you do not give credit to the owner of the music or the owner of the video, YouTube is going to copyright it. For instance, when you upload Big Brother movies and you do not give credit to them, so YouTube is going to copyright you, and this can cost you your monetization, and this can also cost you not to be eligible for monetization. It can cost you to be demonetized. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys today, how to check if your video has a copyright strike on them. So you'll be needing a YouTube website. That's what you'll be using, not the app. You'll be using the website. Okay, so come, let me show you how to do this.
So guys, all you need to do is to go to this copyright, this see something here, click on it and allow it to open. Okay, when it opens, it is going to show you something like this. Okay, all you need to do is to go to the second option, which is removal request. Okay, when you click on it, it is going to also show you something like this. So just check down and click on video list. Okay, here it says looking for a copyright claim someone made on your video. So click on this, check the video links. Okay, so it is going to open. When it opens, it is going to show you something like this. So if you have a copyright claim, it is going to show here the video. It is going to show with the video here, but if you doesn't have, it will just tell you that no matching videos. Okay, this no matching video signifies that you don't have a copyright. So if you have it, it's going to show here. Okay, so guys, make sure you always check this from time to time, because YouTube will notify you when you have a copyright claim, so that you will remove the video before they will demonetize you. Okay, and if you are not monetized already, if you don't check when you are eligible for monetization, you're not going to be monetized. Okay, because you have a copyright claim on your video. So always check it, so that if you have any, you will just remove whatever it is this sound, you just correct it. Okay, you just fix everything before YouTube will demonetize you, or before you are eligible for monetization, so that you'll be monetized. Okay, so guys, that's what I said. Let me share with you guys. Let me quickly share with you guys. So please make sure you like and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying with me tonight. If you have any question, you are free to leave it in the comment section. So guys, always check on your videos, you check for your life, you check for your shots, you just check everything. Okay, make sure that your channel is safe. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye guys, please subscribe. Bye.